In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Steam account to Faceit. Whether you're new to PC gaming or a seasoned esports pro, linking these two accounts can enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to seamlessly join ranked matches and tournaments. So, let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First things first, you'll need both a Steam account and a Faceit account. Assuming you have these, begin by logging into your Faceit account. If you're unfamiliar with Faceit, it's an online platform that supports and hosts competitions for a variety of games, most prominently Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. Once you're logged in, head over to your account settings. Here, you'll see various options to manage your account, but what we're interested in today is integrating your platforms. In your account settings, there should be a section labeled Game Accounts. Click on this, and you'll see a list of different gaming platforms that you can link to your Faceit profile. Among them, you will find Steam. Click on the Connect or Link button next to Steam. This action will prompt a pop-up from Steam asking for authorization. Essentially, what this means is Steam needs your permission for Faceit to access certain information from your Steam account, such as your game library and stats for specific games like Csgo. After clicking to connect, you will be redirected to the Steam login page if you haven't already logged in there. It's crucial to ensure you're entering your credentials on the official Steam site for security reasons. Once you've entered your Steam username and password, it'll ask for your approval to link the accounts. Confirm this to proceed. At this point, you might be required to perform two-factor authentication if you have it set up, which is a good practice for maintaining the security of your accounts. Simply enter the code sent to your email or mobile device to verify your identity. After successfully logging in and authorizing, you should see a confirmation back on Faceit that your Steam account has been linked. Now that your accounts are connected, you're all set to explore what Faceit offers. You can join ranked games, compete in tournaments, and even follow your favorite players or teams. A quick tip, make sure your Steam profile is set to public so your game stats can be accessed properly. This is essential for Faceit to correctly match you in games based on your skill level. There you have it. By linking your Steam account to Faceit, you've now opened the door to a broader and more competitive gaming experience. Whether you're looking to hone your skills, compete at higher levels, or simply enjoy a more enriched gaming journey, this simple connection is your gateway to endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!